Hello everyone, welcome. I'm back again with another exciting collab. The Summer to Fall Transition Tablescape, hosted by DIY, designed by CCW, co-hosted by Creatively Miss Me, and me myself in DIYing. Please head over to these ladies' channels, show your love and support. Also, the link to their channels will be in the description below. The rules for this challenge was to use the colors red, orange, and yellow. You can either use one to two or all three. For my tablescape, I use all three colors. And for my centerpiece, again, I wanted to bring nature inside. So I pretty much used a lot of greeneries this week on my tablescapes. So you will see it in other videos. So as for this centerpiece, I use a lot of greeneries from my backyard, incorporated some full floral pieces and some pumpkins, 2 gold candle holders, and 1 cake stand in the middle. For my tableware, I use a large red leaf as my placemat, and those were purchased from the Dollar Tree. Everything else I had already in my home. Just went out to purchase some new items to incorporate into this tablescape. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. If you are not already a member of my channel, please do consider subscribing and hitting that notification button for future videos. Thanks again and stay blessed.